up, everybody? Right now we are in Shibuya, about to go shopping at a lot of different stores. Right now we're going to be going to the Onitsuka Tiger store, which is the one that I wanted to go to for a while now. We're going to be shopping down this main stretch of road. Lots of stores, lots of stuff to see, so tune in, guys.
Let's go.
Onitsuka Tiger was founded in Japan, and they have so many different shoe styles to choose from. When I was there, I noticed the prices ranged anywhere from about $125 to $225 USD, and while I know this isn't considered cheap, they are definitely worth the price.
What's up, everybody? So I just went inside the Onitsuka Tiger store, was looking around for a couple pairs of shoes, found a couple that I really liked. It was kind of hard to decide between what shoe that I actually wanted. I ended up going with, I like the logo, the way the logo sticks out on the shoe, and obviously the brown on the sole. They're very nice shoes, so I'm really happy to have these now. Yeah, super cool experience to be inside there. They were super helpful. Definitely if you're in the Shibuya district, go to the Onitsuka Tiger store. Super cool, super fun experience. We're about to go shopping for a couple more things. There's lots of stores down this street and in this area, so tune in, guys. We're going to be going to more stores. Coming across these, we got handed them. These are press release color filters that go for that billboard right there behind us. If you line up the color, you can see certain parts of the picture in different colors, which is really interesting to see. Very cool. Super cool. We're gonna keep walking through and keep finding new things and fun surprises, so come along, guys.
Alright guys, so right now we're outside of PARCO. It's going to be a building that's going to have things including like male and female clothing. It's going to have a cinema inside of it. It's also going to have an outdoor section. And of course for people like myself, it's always meant for like anime lovers. There's going to be figurines, statues, pieces of artwork, clothing, like I said before. It's always going to be printed onto it. And you'll be able to find pretty much anything that's going to be Japanese aesthetic inside this building. So as of right now, we're going to go ahead and head inside and see what they got. So yeah, let's go.
In addition to unique stores and amazing shopping choices, PARCO Shibuya holds various events and pop-ups every month, including art and music events that are one of a kind. They also have a rooftop garden and event space where you can chill out and take in views of Shibuya.
So right now we're in the PARCO Mall. We are heading up the floors, currently shopping around. We just came from one of the, I'm assuming the designer floors. Lots of really cool styles and clothing from that floor. Looks like we're on another clothing floor. So yeah, we're gonna be walking around, checking things out. So tune in, guys. Now we're in PARCO. We're walking around one of the most famous parts of the store. Obviously, we're in front of this really huge statue right now. We are walking around. It's really cool in here. So yeah, tune in, guys.
right now we're outside of I think it's called the Jump Store. It's basically about like Shonen Jump shows. So things like One Piece, My Hero Academia, JJK, things like that, the above ground animes, they're always gonna be in here. They have keychains, apparel, they have merchandise such as like dolls, as we can see. They just have they have a good chunk of everything inside this store. Right now, we did go through 2 stores that are about anime. Throughout the video, you'll see that we're gonna head back over towards the Pokemon section because they have a whole Pokemon store. But I think right now what we're about to start doing is going over to Capcom, I believe. Capcom is located on the 6th floor of Shibuya PARCO. The store is actually kind of small, but is stacked floor to ceiling with all things Capcom related, including keychains, figurines, plushies, t-shirts, and of course, posters. There is also a giant Monster Hunter display and an 8-foot tall Ryu statue at the front of the store. So right now we're waiting in the line at the Nintendo store at the top of PARCO. They are timed tickets, so they give them to you outside the building. They usually tell you to wait about 10, maybe 11 minutes tops, because you have to wait in these lines because there's so many people circulating around the building that they have to keep order somehow. So as soon as you get your ticket outside, you just wait inside of a little room that they have behind us here. And then after, like I said, 10 or 11 minutes, they'll let you in, and then you have as much time as you want and free space to keep going and just get whatever you want. It's the Nintendo Land, of course, so let's go.
Well, that wraps up the first part of our day in the Shibuya district, but stick around. We have lots more to come from this amazing area in Japan.
We're crossing Shibuya Crossing. Oh, good sort.